Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a Caesar salad. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 head of romaine lettuce, a lemon, a cup of your favorite seasoned croutons, a cup of mayonnaise, a half cup of shredded Parmesan, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a teaspoon of anchovy paste, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll start by zesting a lemon, cutting it in half, and juicing it. We'll set the zest aside for later. To make our Caesar dressing, we'll whisk together the juice from our lemon with 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a teaspoon of anchovy paste, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll add in our cup of mayonnaise and continue mixing until well combined. We'll set our dressing aside while we complete our salad. Once our dressing is finished, we'll peel any limp outer leaves off of our head of romaine and discard them. We'll separate the remaining leaves and rinse them in the sink before drying them with a paper towel. Once we've blotted our lettuce dry, we'll tear the leaves by hand and place them in a large bowl. We'll toss in a 1/4 cup of our shredded Parmesan, a half cup of our croutons, and our reserved lemon zest. Next, we'll add as much, or as little, of our Caesar dressing as we'd like. Leftover dressing can be kept in the refrigerator for up to a week. We'll continue to toss our salad until well coated. Once tossed, we'll transfer to serving bowls and garnish the top of our salads with our remaining 1/4 cup of Parmesan and half cup of seasoned croutons. We can serve this as a side or as an entree by adding chilled cooked chicken. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.